Hi angels, welcome to today's video. Today is the Easter taste test. Whoop, whoop. But without further ado, let's go! It's the dairy milk bunny with orange mousse. Right, so this says it's a mousse. So it's mousse inside it. Cheers. Here's its little face. Come on. Oh. What does that taste like? Just orange. But an arrow.
It does.
Galaxy, it tastes like galaxy.
It tastes like orange apple.
I think it tastes like exactly like a Terry's chocolate orange. It tastes like galaxy chocolate orange to me. It's dairy milk. I don't know. It tastes like galaxy. How strange. Out of 10? A solid 9. 9?
8.
I'm gonna go 9. Mr. Kipling's exceedingly good cakes. 8 egg fancies. These are really straight, aren't they? Oh my god, sure. It actually looks like an egg. It looks like a fried egg. Looks like a fried egg. Like a square egg. It looks a bit like a poached egg. Chas. Feels really cold. Oh, it's yellow, it's orange. Yeah, it's an egg. It's really nice. Out of 10? Do you know what? I'm gonna give that an 8.
9.
6. I don't normally like these, but that one is actually really nice. This is the Swizzles drum chick squashies. So like, you know, squashies like the drum squashies were one of my favourites. Go and smell them. Why?
Oh,
It smells really strange.
it smells nice.
What's also a proper beak? Mine's like a flat beak.
Now see mine.
Cheers. Ready? Cheers. Yours looks deformed.
Sorry.
Very nice. It's very orangey. Yeah, citrusy. Wasn't what I was expecting. Really? I thought it was going to be more squashy flavoured. Out of 10?
3.
3. I'll go 5. I'm going to go 5. They're nice. Even. But, yeah, not amazing. Mr. Kipling, exceedingly good cakes. And we've got 6 lemon bakewells. It looks like they've got sprinkles on them. Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
What's the matter? It's stuck to your mouth. More. Get them. That's really nice. Okay, I took the biggest bite out. Oh my god, that's claggy as. It's not. Everything seems it got stuck under my tongue. With a pastry right at the bottom. Right. It like got stuck. I was like, oh. It was not good luck. Right. I like the little hardness of the gem. The sprinkles. Yeah, the sprinkly things. Out of 10? Gotta go 10.
10.
I'm gonna give it an 8 because it's claggy. We interrupt this video to remind you to subscribe. Me and Becky have never tried these. We haven't.
I have total blood.
I'm getting flashbacks to when we were like really excited to try saurine. And then I had to spit it out. I can't open. Oh! Good catch, Lizzie. Hot cross buns. Oh, they smell rot. I'm very sorry. Do you not do it? I'm gonna get a bit with a big juicy raisin on it. That's not a raisin. It's really salty. Oh my god, I'm crying. I can't swallow it all. Oh, God, you can't swallow it. I mean, that's the first time I've ever seen you spit food out. They're the most foul thing I've ever put in my mouth. That's worse than sorry. Out of 10? 0.
-1.
Minus 100,000 million gazillion. Never ever gonna eat
Minus
that in my
number
life.
infinity.
Next we have Cadbury cream egg cakes. Ooh, cute.
Cheers. Get some chocolate chips on there.
Oh my god. Very nice. Out of 10?
Go 7.
10.10.
Really? Like it that much?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 7.5. The Cadbury Dairy Milk Egg and Spoon in Oreo, and it's Peter Rabbit special for Easter.
This was going to be quite funny because I don't mean Becky likes Oreo.
Not really.
Now, ducklings.
I've got no film. I've got no film.
Oh, move that. Oh no, oh no.
It's just breaking apart. Why did you take that much?
I didn't mean.
I'm a bit hard for it.
Is it proper tiny?
It's the Oreo biscuit. Out of 10?
I'm gonna go 4.
8.5.
I'm gonna go 2.
It was very sickly, that one.
No.
Eggs galore.
From Haribo.
Right.
Kids and grown-ups love it so. It's a happy world of Haribo.
Get excited.
Cheers.
Cheers.
God, I can't put into it. Oh, I was hoping it was going to have liquid inside it.
Alright, it'll
I
sweet.
love it when they've got liquid in.
It's a bit hard. Very chewy.
Out of 10?
No. 9.5.
9.
I'm going to go 9. Nice Haribo sweet. Kinder mini eggs. Cheers. Out of 10? 10.
6.
What? 10. 6! The Kinder!
Yeah, I like Kinder.
Are you feeling Reed? A 6! Out!
No.
Get out. You don't like Kinder?
No.
Kinder's the best chocolate. The Morrisons' own version of the little bunny.
Basically, it's a bronze bunny.
Yeah, it's milk chocolate.
Just smash it.
And it says hollow sitting bunny.
I think it's just
Hollow.
I think you should smash it.
Oh! Like that. Sound like Clyde. It was me drinking the chocolate for us.
It smells nice.
Chocolate.
These two sniff everything. They're like, smells like that. It's like what? Oh, it does. Cheers.
I can taste cinnamon. Can you?
Oh, just tastes like really cheap chocolate.
I'm gonna go 2.
1.
3.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, if someone gave me it for Easter, I wouldn't be absolutely devastated, but at the same time, it's cheap. It costs £1.50 instead of the £5 that you pay for a normal Lindor bunny.
Cheers. What skills?
I got skills. They're multiplying. Last taste test.
Ow.
Have you just
Eat it.
Have you just put yours straight into your mouth and all?
Eat it.
It's gone white.
Eat it. Half of it. You
That's
do.
enough for me.
Just taste me food.
Oh no, the bag smells of
Oh, it's better for Christmas.
Oh, that tasted funky as
It did taste hungry.
I have it all mine. Best to last.
10. No, I'm joking.
No. What's that? Non joke. Non joke. Oh.
What?
I think I'm gonna go 0. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
And click the notification bell.
bye.